Hey, hey, you flip me the bird, that nasty bird, that nasty bird. Now late one night while driving, I was followed by a big man, and then he sped around me. Yes, he did. He flipped me off, I don't understand. And then he started yelling, acting like he's out of control. And then he started screaming, yes he did, and flipped me off, and why I don't know. Yeah, he was flipping and screaming and driving up beside me, and just then I noticed his one finger salute. He shouted every ugly nasty word now, every ugly nasty word, every ugly nasty word now. And ended each insult, flipping me the nasty finger bird. That nasty bird, oh, you flipped me the bird, that nasty bird. All this road rage going on, everybody just wants to flip you off. Why can't they be a little nicer and just wave hello? Try to understand this. I thought that he was out of his mind. How could he even do this? How could he be so rude and act so unkind? So still I kept on driving, trying to get further away, but still he kept on honking, pushing